Welcome to our comprehensive guide to Infinito Wallet, the versatile and secure multi-currency crypto management platform. Whether you're new to crypto or an experienced trader, this video will help you navigate the features of this innovative wallet. Infinito Wallet supports multiple cryptocurrencies, offering seamless asset management in a single place. After accessing the site, you'll notice its clean and intuitive interface. The homepage presents clear options to create or log into your wallet. First-time users can easily set up a secure account with straightforward steps to ensure data protection and private key security. The dashboard showcases your portfolio, allowing you to monitor balances and transaction history for supported coins and tokens. One of Infinito Wallet's standout features is its multi-blockchain support, giving you the ability to manage various digital assets. Additionally, the app integrates decentralized apps, dApps, offering unique opportunities like staking, trading, and earning rewards. To send or receive crypto, simply navigate to the respective section. Enter the recipient address or share your public key, then confirm the transaction with enhanced security options. Infinito Wallet also includes advanced features like asset tracking and customizable settings to fit user preferences. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. As you explore the app, you'll find access to blockchain apps directly from the platform, making it more than just a wallet but a gateway to the blockchain ecosystem. With top-notch security features and a user-friendly design, Infinito Wallet empowers users to take full control of their crypto journey. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more in-depth crypto tutorials and overviews. Don't forget to like this video and hit the notification bell for updates on the latest content.